Welcome to mini vlogs of Goa series. This is mini vlog number one. So we are going for 2 days trip to Goa, Saturday or Sunday. So we are at the Mangalore Central Station waiting for our Vande Bharat. Yes, we are going through Vande Bharat train. So it's morning 8:30. So we reached on time, and yes, it was raining, very heavily raining. So it's like more like a rainy vacation. So you can see the train and this guy's excitement because it's the first time on the train. So he's just experimenting with everything. So this is like a flight experience. If you want in a train, it's very good. And look at the broad windows, they are like so good, like view is awesome. And rainy season views are anyways awesome. So you can see this has only three stops, okay, Udupi, Mangalore and Karwar. So it reaches in 4.5 hours, which is so great. So by noon 1:30 we'll reach Madgaon. Then first you have this breakfast with chai, chiuda and omelette, cutlet, loto pie. Awesome breakfast. The kids will love this, of course. So, and they also give a water bottle and also newspaper to read. And yes, in between the we are trying to do all sort of useless things, okay. And this is Times of India. So this guy is totally excited for the newspaper. So yes, time passes very quickly because you have food, you have nice company, you have nice view, chai. What else do you want? And look at the river outside. I don't know which river is it, but awesome shot. So look at this guy. He's like non-stop. He just wants to ask everything. He's very excited and curious to know. So like he's like, when will reach and what is this and what is that. So he has all sort of things going on. And this is a lunch: chicken curry, potato, rice. And look at the weather outside. It's raining so heavily. You cannot even see. It looks like we are sailing in a ship. So yes, and finally we have reached the Madgaon. I'll continue the next vlog in next